Hey, it's Maria here, and today I'm going to teach you how to watermark your photos in Lightroom Classic. So let's go ahead and open up Lightroom Classic. Okay, so here I am in Lightroom Classic, and you'll know that it's Lightroom Classic because it will have up the top right here all these different tabs with Library, Develop, and all these other ones. And firstly, let's talk about some of the reasons you might want to watermark your photos. And the most obvious reason is because you don't want people to steal your photos, and they might be in a gallery that you've uploaded for a client or just on your website, and you don't want them to be able to screenshot them or right click and save them. So you might want to watermark your photos before you upload them online. So it's really simple. All you need to do is you need to find the folder where the photos are, of course, in Lightroom, and then just select the photos that you want to watermark. So we'll just select them like that, and then you simply come up and go File, Export. Make sure you've got all these quality and destination settings how you want them, but you're going to go right down to the bottom for the watermarking and click Watermark, and you're going to go down here to Edit Watermarks, so you can make a new watermark. And you can either use this text here, so you can write in your own text, you can change it to whatever you want. You write test. I'm just going to keep it as Maria. Oops, can't spell my own name. Maria Eves. And you can change your font and everything if you want to. For you, this may show up down the bottom right corner, and it might be quite small like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to, if you want it in the middle, you might like it there, but I like mine in the middle. So I'm going to go down to Anchor here and click this middle box, and then bring the size up, and then I'm going to pull down the opacity here. So I like the way that looks now. If you wanted your logo, you can go to the very top, scroll to the top here and click choose, or you can actually click graphic here. I'm just going to click choose. I'm going to search for my logo, and I'm going to just choose this one. There we go. So you can't actually see it because my logo is black. I would prefer to have a white logo on here because I think it looks better for a watermark, but I'm not going to change that right now. But I could make this bigger so you can see it better, and the opacity is still down as it was for all of the text we had, so I can change the opacity if I want to, and then I'm actually just going to go back to the text because I think that looks better, and change the size of that back to how it was. But just wanted to show you how you could put your logo in there if you wanted. Now it's going to want you to save it, so save and make it, I'm going to have to make a name for the preset, so we'll just go like S1 create, and then you're going to click export, and you'll be able to see up the top left there that it is exporting the files. But while it's doing that, I'll just show you one that I've done already. So here we go. This is a folder I did earlier, same sort of thing, and you can see when you go to the folder that you selected it to export to, all your photos will be in there with the watermark on, all ready to upload or do whatever you need to with. You can see here some of the ones we just exported. These are actually ones I wasn't going to keep because they're blurry. It happens sometimes when you're doing selfies. But there you go, it just shows you a good example of how to do the watermark. So I hope that helped, and I hope now you know how to watermark your photos quickly and easily. If you have any more questions about photography or watermarking your photos,